4 work-from-home jobs. 1. Try your hand at entrepreneurship. In 2021, over 18% of Americans started a new business. There are plenty of ways to start a new venture, such as investing in your passion. Earnings. Infinite. 2. Rent your extra driveway space. Your extra space could be worth more than you think. If you have a safe area that's going unused, you could rent it out. Earnings. Up to $320 a month. 3. Refurbish furniture. If you're a passionate homemaker, you might be able to make a living from reusing old furniture. This could be a fun side project to make money. Earnings. Varies in earnings. 4. Help with resume writing. If you've already gone through the career path, then help others get started by writing and editing resumes. This service is for people who want to start their own career journey. Earnings. $50 up to $150 per resume.